Welcome back to Rusty Crusty Classics. In today's video, I'm dropping the floor pan and the seating area of the Nova kit car's floor. This is for Charlie at Hudson Auto Films for his Nova kit car that he's rebuilding. Just giving a little assistance. Follow the link in the description and head over there and see what Charlie's doing with the Nova. Also, if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share.